For our weather this week, today's the exception where we have clouds and it's gray and it's super wintry looking. Our current temperatures pretty low in the upper 40s to lower 50s, and our feels like temperature notice a couple degrees lower than the air temperature in many spots just due to some north winds. Not excessively breezy or gusty today, but just enough to make it feel a little cooler when you factor that in, plus no sun. So definitely feeling like winter. Current temperatures near 50 or upper 40s, and then here's the wind right now coming in straight from the north, due north winds up to 10 or so miles per hour. Hammond actually a touch more breezy, reporting at the moment some gusts up to about 18 miles per hour. Mainly, though, we have a chilly but mostly tranquil and serene stretch of weather ahead. We do have clouds and a few sprinkles today, especially along the coast, a few light showers possible, but it will be sunny and cool the rest of the week as high pressure takes over, and there's really nothing to talk about from today after we finish up with the clouds and the showers until really the weekend. We get another front that's going to cool us down, but even that one probably won't bring much rain. Satellite and radar certainly showing the clouds streaming over us in southeast Louisiana. Few breaks in the clouds, though, for some North Shore spots. And over to the western part of the state, we're not seeing as much cloud cover. So this is all driven from a little disturbance that's passing really closer to our coast with rain. But even now at noon, we're not seeing all that much shower activity anymore. The greens for radar were spread out a little bit more abundantly across the map a few hours ago. But now we're just seeing a little bit of the light green around extreme coastal spots and streaming more so into Jackson County, Mississippi, and over toward Alabama. So tracking it with our high resolution model, rain, the little rain that we are seeing pretty much finishing up right now. We'll fast forward. This model wants to bring in just the tiniest bit of rain through 4 p.m. And then as we move toward tonight, this is by 9 p.m. tonight, the rain is certainly gone. This is our 9 p.m. forecast through the night. Notice we may continue with a few clouds, and even early tomorrow. This is 7 a.m. on your Tuesday morning. We may start out with a couple of clouds, but look what happens pretty quickly. By mid-morning, we should at least be looking for mostly sunny skies, and then the sun will be the trend the rest of the week. Rain totals, look at this, even for spots near the coast have not been high. In fact, almost zero reported at almost all locations right now. We could, again, pick up maybe a couple of hundredths of an inch of rain very close to the coast, but that's about it. We're really making a big deal out of this today because that's all we really have going as far as any precipitation for the next week or so. We'll stay gray and chilly today, temperatures in the 50s for highs. Tonight, it will be cold again, partly cloudy as the clouds begin to break up. Not more rain chances tonight, not expecting that. In our lows, 30s to about 40 degrees or so north and south of the lake. By the way, the International Space Station viewing yesterday or last night, it was super bright, about as bright as it gets. Looking ahead to tonight, it will be passing overhead. Now, we'll probably have clouds, but if you do miss it tonight or can't see it with the clouds, tomorrow we have a nice 5-minute chunk at 6:22 p.m. when it will be moving from west. You can look outside, look west, and then it will track to the south. And then we have a brief chance on Sunday. If you're an early riser as opposed to an evening viewer, you can see the 6:14 a.m. time, only a minute though on Sunday. Looking ahead, by the way, to the rest of February, this is mid-February, and we are stuck in this pattern with some general troughing over the eastern U.S., so that will likely bring below normal temperatures or below average temperatures for much of the eastern U.S., including us, although our temperatures will gradually increase through this week. So if you like it warmer, it looks like by the end of the week we may see middle 60s, maybe even upper 60s by Friday. There's that next front on Saturday. We'll give it up perhaps a generous 20% chance for a shower on Saturday, and then it does look like that'll be cooling us down with very little fanfare for this coming weekend.